parabolas?
Parabolas.
Parabola. A parabola is the set of all points equidistant from a line and a fixed point not on the line. The line is called the directrix, and the point is called the focus. The point on the parabola, halfway between the focus and the directrix, is the vertex. The parabola is also symmetrical on both sides, so there's an axis of symmetry.
1.
If a parabola has a vertical axis, the standard form of the equation of the parabola is this, where p is not equal to 0. The vertex of this parabola is at h and x. The focus is at hk plus p. The directrix is the line where y is equal to k minus p.
2. 1.
If a parabola has a horizontal axis, the standard form of the equation of the parabola is this, where p is not equal to 0. The vertex of the parabola is at h and k. The focus is at h plus p and k. The directrix is the line where x is equal to h minus p. The axis is the line where y is equal to k.
Woo! Intro to conic section. Parabolas of the form y equals a, x minus h squared plus k have a vertex at hk, just like all conics in the rest of this section. And opens upwards if a is greater than 0, and opens downwards if a is less than 0. Woo! Let's get to the beautiful graph that my person helped me with. Y equals x minus 2 squared minus 3. This time I got it right. Woo! Okay. As we start at this vertex, we switch the -2 over to +2, just like the rest in this section, because it's in the parentheses. And then we take the -3 and we just plop it right down, because it's h and k of here, and then you got the h and k of there. You graph around this beautiful graph. Since it's y, -3 goes horizontal. Got that one this time too. Okay. Go to the next one. We're going left to right. We switch it up, going x equals y minus 1 squared minus 2. Woo! Got the vertex at 1, because just like this one, you switch the -1 to 1. And you plop that one straight down again. Woo! Directrix, since it's x, goes vertical at -2. And then it's graphs just like everything else. Woo! Let's do this. Okay, starting off with our equation. 2x squared plus y plus 12x plus 16 equals 0. First off, we start thinking, which conic is it? You have all of these conics. How do you tell them apart? Well, you need a y squared. Oh wait, there's none there. So most likely is a parabola based on the stuff we learned and the stuff we have studied. And you gotta get y by itself. So you minus y, have everything on one side, so you divide by that -1 to keep y positive. Got lazy, so got rid of y because we're doing only one side. Got -2x squared minus 12x minus 16. Gotta complete that square. Gotta make sure you do it. So you get -2 on the outside of parentheses, and you get x plus 6x plus 8. Gotta complete that square next. So you have -2 so out here. You get x plus 2 and x plus 4. Woo! Then you gotta solve that for 0. So x plus 2 equals 0 and x plus 4 equals 0, which gives you -2 and -4. Now we have the graph and look, oh, we know that's gonna cross the x-axis somewhere. It's gonna cross that at 2 and 4. So it gives us a good idea where the graph is gonna go through. Now we go back to what we know, what we've been learning. Got y equals -2, x squared in the parentheses plus 6x. Gotta take half of 6, then square root it, which gives you 9. We're gonna deal with that later. Then you get -16. Now we're back at it. You gotta put it on both sides to keep the equation level. But don't forget that -2, that's also there. So -2 times 9, which is -18. So you get y minus 18 equals -2. Solve that equation, which is x plus 3 squared, and you get -16. Now you gotta put the 16 to the other side and bat it out of here. So you add 16, which gets you y minus 2, equals -2, x plus 3 squared. Now go back to your vertex, h and k. X always has h. And we're gonna flip it to -3 because it's in the parentheses. And then you got your k, which is -2. You gotta flip it back to positive, so it's +2. Go over, there's your graph. It goes through those points, make your graph, and you're done.